Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the network topology. Network topology is the interesting part of the network technology. First, we see what is network topology. Network topology is physical arrangement of connecting various computers for networking. That means network topologies describe the ways in which the elements of a network are mapped. They describe the physical and logical arrangement of the network nodes. Here, physical topology of a network refers to the configuration of cables, computer, etc. Here, we will see the types of network topology. First one is star topology, second is bus topology, third is ring topology, and last fourth is tree topology. Now, we discuss each type in detail. Star topology. Here, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to the central controller called hub. The hub takes a signal that comes from any node and passes it along to all the other nodes in the network. The hub controls all functions of the network. In this figure, you can see that physical structure of star topology. When device 1 wants to send data to device 2, first send the data to hub, which then relay the data to the other connected device. The transmission occurred only through the central hub. Star topology used in local area network. Here, this is also another physical structure of star topology. Advantages of star topology. First one is less expensive because all devices are connected only to the hub. Next advantage is installation and configuration are easy. Then next one is less cabling is needed. Fourth advantage of star topology is robustness. It means if one link fails, only that link is affected. All other links remain active. Next advantage is easy to fault identification and to remove parts. Disadvantages of star topology. First one is even it requires less cabling when compared with other topologies, it still large. Next disadvantage is dependency. Dependency means whole network depend on one single point, that is hub. When it goes down, the whole system is dead. Next topology is bus topology. A bus topology is multi-point. Here, one long cable acts as a backbone to link all the devices are connected to the backbone by drop lines and taps. You can show in figure a bus topology consists of a main cable with the terminator at each end. This is another diagram of bus topology. Advantages of bus topology. First one is require less cable. Next one, it is easy to extend, easy to handle and implement. One more advantage of bus topology is it is best suited for small networks. Now, disadvantages of bus topology. First one is difficult reconfiguration and fault isolation. Second one is difficult to add new devices. Main disadvantage of bus topology is if any fault in backbone can stop all transmission. Next topology is ring topology. In a ring network, every device has exactly two neighbors for communication purpose. All messages travel through a ring in the same direction. The signal is passed in one direction from device to device until it reaches the destination and each device have repeater. Here in this figure you can see that physical structure of ring topology. Advantages of ring topology. First one is easy to install, easier to manage than a bus network. Second one is short cable length and suitable for optical fibers. Now, Disadvantages of ring topology. First one is unidirectional traffic. Next, break in a single ring can break entire network. That means if single node of the network is fail, then the entire network is fail. Tree topology. Tree topology, also called as a hierarchical topology. Tree topology is one of the most common network setup that is similar to a bus topology and a star topology. A tree topology can be viewed as a collection of star networks arranged in a hierarchy. Tree topology is particularly helpful for college, universities, and schools so that each of them connect to the big network in some way. It is a visual example of a tree topology, simple computer setup on a network using the star topology. Hybrid topology, a combination of any two or more network topologies. A network which contain all type of physical structure and connected under a single backbone channel. It is a mixture of a above mentioned topologies. Usually, a central computer is attached with subcontrollers, which in turn participate in a variety of topologies. Thank you, friends.